All right, good afternoon and evening, and welcome to the Barbara Sports Stadium. Kumasi Asante Kotoko match of my boy against Timor. Your friend Legon cities. No the attendance was not that encouraging. But the good news is Kotoko etimi edin kunim na jede behind the scenes. And you might call so well huno and yabuanwa jede eba besum. So this was the timer. Na Asante Kotoko players no na omupie the every dressing room into it means the kind of confidence and na Asante Kotoko players no na ebro omupie no na ewo menim no na ekire se ene ebetimi aye good day ere ama Asante Kotoko so nya abotre na hwemrantie no bra na womupie goalkeeper Frederick Asare captain ene DNM Eric Serge Zeze Andrews Intimenu Nicholas Osebonsu Babayaya Steve Mukwala Peter Aminu Akwa na Wenya Emmanuel Korte. As usual, the back benches, Yusuf Nuruddin, Sharif Mohammed, Ene Abrantefen, Enoch Morrison. The back benches, omo miensa na out muso omo ba no bejina ho na mpaibo no kama. These three players had a good game. Morrison was the last player to enter the pitch. And controversies ne started. And you say, Tadia na jerseys na both teams share no now to say a bosso kakra na a match kakra na there were a lot of complaints. Then on the field, you could see that there were a lot of meetings na a coso between Frederick Asare and Nemranti, and anytime break baby biano a friend center back no na omunio mushibom. In the course of the game, Kumasi Asante Kotoko enya a penalty. Steve Dese Mukwala Babayaya ena a chain baku mienu miensa ena a chano ena Steve Dese Mukwala kofa penalty no nyabo trepa pine ena goalkeeper no Kobe Nkumbeni for intimia move. Now what the celebration move ko wiem back and I will see from Yusuf Nuruddin by then you get Nicholas Osebonsu. Now what their celebration na chese Ubiana na yanka kra and our players in our buy. So now let me take my time and give you the proper update. So the lineup was Frederick Asare in goal post na Wenya Emmanuel Korte. But let me go back to the basis. This is the water break and Yambokoroko technical team na baso on how they make good use of the water break into share way different because who jersey number 6 Sharif Mohammed so jinemu. So coaches 4 coaches on Kotoko bench obia a specific instructional or them a player on how the game is going and what the player should be doing. Senior ebeboa medical team no so ne dru ha on say Enoch Morrison enya injury on a so the medical team will take massive advantage of it na omo addressing, and this was something I will love. I so much love, but I'll take my time and talk about it. But how they coordinated during the water break no na impressive pa na me ba beto so na me the other thing, but this is the goal scorer from the first half Mukwala say Oba. Now instantly, when Openye Wilson Asari moved to the players, he speaks to them to motivate them and all that. Ne bibia etimi akoyi na akoso kama. So he speak to the players. That means the Kotoko technical team no wamo Juma ba me ba betwa so, but he enjoy Jama kakra in free pokupan test. Alright, and was so wonderful Jama from Porcupine Tertiaries as usual. At the end of the first half, it was 1-0 for Asante Kotoko. Now, Tim said these are players on the bench: Richmond Opoku, Prince Adasan, Shadrach, Ado, Bernard Somwa, Rocky Jamana. Now, on said Jesse na clash no. Second half, no referees, no Emma Legon City to sign. Ekosha Black, and this is when they were coming in. Now the lineup now catch Nicholas Osei Bonsubo left back. You will get Yusuf Nuruddin together with Abranti Fen Sharif Mohammed and Ejine Chiriho. Then you will get Morrison Zeze Andrew Sintimenu. So Musu Wom Finfin. This is Coach Ogum leading the team. And on set Baba Yaya and Emmanuel Court and the flanks into. They need to speak and coordinate on how to move. The goal scorer Mukwala laughing. Now, the backbenchers, one said, and the game number one, Morrison, about number 6, together with Sharif Wechen and Nuruddin. So they needed to speak to themselves on how one more ebe shishomoniome ye now etimi aboame bibia kwe. So this is Kotoko. After say omo a free dressing room by in the first half now almost started warm up. Tutimu say this is some of the details are omo yusu. You free dressing room bar send your players no mabano mom brenin no on say some warm ho kakra. So Coach Wilson and Eddie Omoye. Now the second goal scored by Yusuf Nuruddin. Now Utimu say the kind of lava now players Mama Nuruddin was through, then the celebration was huge into a bar bench obe a year Kotoko medical team no say omoye no ho adwuma send your Nuruddin ebetimi anya fitness abo to buy and obey hagi omo ebe come home. So this is the part 1 of the behind the scenes. They are coming in Abesaba live on Porcupine Stand with Selbed Kotoko etimi edi nkunim. Glory be to God.